This is my Science Shortage project on the circulatory system. The circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. The heart is an organ that sits between the lungs. It is about the size of a fist. The heart has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. Valves are the walls that separate the chambers. Valves allow the blood to flow upward or downward. The heart powers the circulatory system. It beats over 100,000 times a day. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. Blood is made up of 54% plasma, 45% red blood cells, and 1% white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells transport oxygen to the body's cells. White blood cells fight off sickness, and platelets help mend wounds. Plasma, a liquid which is mainly water, carries red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Blood has 3 main roles. It carries oxygen, nutrients, and carbon dioxide waste. Oxygen-rich blood is bright red, and oxygen-poor blood is dark red. Blood protects by fighting infection and forming blood clots. Blood also controls body temperature by distributing heat from organs throughout the body. Blood vessels are pathways to and from the heart. Arteries are types of blood vessels. They carry blood away from the heart. The aorta is the biggest artery in the body. It carries oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle to cells around the body. Arteries have many layers. These layers are outer layer, muscular layer, elastic fiber layer, and inner layer. As arteries become smaller and smaller, they branch off into capillaries. Capillaries are the joining places for arteries and veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood to the heart. They are made up of the same layers as arteries: outer layer, muscular layer, elastic fiber layer, and inner layer. Some veins also contain valves to prevent blood from flowing backwards. The inferior vena cava, which is the biggest vein, carries oxygen-poor blood to the lower body, while the superior vena cava carries it to the upper body. Because all of the parts of the system work together, the circulatory system can successfully supply blood to the whole body.